Introduction of Real Tanka, Part 2. A Slogan Tanka, an example of Japanese tanka too prosaic to enable meaningful translation, only to become a largely word-for-word transplant of original terms from Japanese into English. In 57577 Japanese syllables, Sakura bana Fujiyama geisha omotenashi karaoke ni moe kore zo Nippon. Sakura banner, noun, cherry blossoms, the most beloved of Japanese flowers. Fujiyama, noun, Mount Fuji, the highest and most famous of all Japanese mountains. Geisha, noun, a geisha girl, charming hostess in traditional Japanese kimono. Omotenashi, noun, hospitality, awkwardly accentuated Japanese virtue in its attempt to invite Summer Olympic Games in 2022 Tokyo. Karaoke, noun, karaoke, instrumental music of popular songs intentionally devoid of singing voice for anyone to sing along to play a would-be professional singer, an almost mandatory national pastime for the Japanese, derived from kara, empty of singing voice, orchestra, not from karaoke, empty-minded, no problem. Ni, postpositional particle, addition, and also moe, noun, amorous feelings toward someone or something practically unreachable, such as animation characters or pop idols, mainly referring to the eerie attitude of young male Japanese who are more interested in virtual love affairs than in physical intimacy with actual women. Kore, pronoun, this, it. Zo, postpositional particle, emphatic. Nippon, Japan. The least poetic and most prolific type of 57577, go shichi go shitty shitty. You saw the kana. You saw the explanation. Then the work is over. Just recite the Japanese kana, whether in totally flat Japanese fashion or in a colorful gaijin foreigner way, and the message is already transmitted, because this 57577 Japanese is not so much a poem as an incantation, often with a commercial view to promoting something. This is the easiest to make of all Japanese tanka and, of course, the commonest to be found among commoners' repertoire of forcibly squeezed go shichi shichi. In 10 English words, Sakura bana, Fujiyama geisha, omotenashi, karaoke and moe. This is Japan. Don't blame me for pulling my punches. I'm just hitting as hard as I can. The fact is, there is no sense in trying to transplant the 57577 syllabled Japanese slogan into as many words in English. It won't say anything more. Indeed, it will end up saying much less than the 10-word incantation. In slogans, the less you throw in, the better. Confirm this truth in the following tepid example. In 5777, short of 57577 English words, cherry trees and Mount Fuji, Geisha girls will treat you so good. Sing along karaoke and enjoy viewing moe. That is all Japan has to offer. Will you still blame me for pulling my punches by 5 words in the middle? Okay, count 5 or count 10 and declare me beaten. It's a losing battle anyway. An easy slogan tanka is unworthy of any serious appreciation, let alone translation.